I got a distraction cat. Yeah, you're a cat. Sharon. But yes, I got an office space. Yeah, I'm gonna finish this floor. Maybe what this video is gonna be about. Funny story, we got the entire house estimated to refinish the floors and make it all nice and pretty. They quoted us $2,700. I don't have $2,700. I just bought a house. Alright? No. But, yeah, it's crap, huh? Yeah, co-stars. Yeah, no. If you're gonna be in this room, kitty cat, yeah. If you're gonna be in this room, you're gonna be in camera. Yeah, Neil. Yeah. But yeah, they quoted us $2,700. That's not good. That's no bueno. And we just bought a house. And I've been keeping track of how much I spent to redo this floor. You could do it yourself if you do the right research and all that stuff for $300. That's freaking amazing. $300 compared to $2,700? No way. $300. You could do that. Yeah, but today, I'm just gonna finish my floor. And you're gonna watch me because I haven't put out content in a minute. Yeah. First things first, we gotta clean the floor. Yeah, we gotta clean the floor. Stuff that you need to finish your floor. You need a roller, like a paint roller, with a sponge roll, like a spongy one, paint tray, and the most important part, your polyurethane. Yeah, polyurethane floor finish. Alright? All this you can get at your local hardware store. Even the sander and all the other stuff that you need to fix your floor and really redo your floor, you can all get it at your local hardware store. You know? At least I can. I don't know about you guys, but my hardware store provided it. Yeah. Let's start sanding it. One more thing for your paint roller so you're not breaking your back. You need a broomstick. Yeah. If you have a broomstick. Those sewing guns can just screw right off of that broom head and you can stick it right in your paint roller. You don't have to spend an extra $2 on a broomstick. So anyway, let's get started.
2 hours later.
Alright, my dudes, we're 2 hours later in our floor project. Yeah, finishing our floors, that's right. It's been like 2 hours. See how nice and glossy you should be getting it? See all that nice fine gloss? Yeah. Should also be pretty hard too. And scratch resistant to a T. But yes guys, that's finishing my floor for my office. Yay! Soon I'll get desk and other stuff in here. You'll probably see that in videos. Yeah, but like always guys, remember, like, subscribe. You know, this is Kush.